Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a BRRRR strategy using Mashvisor, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Mashvisor website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account to access the dashboard. Select the Investment Properties tab from the menu. Enter the desired location for your investment property. Use the filter options to narrow down your search. Look for properties with positive cash flow potential. Review the detailed metrics provided by Mashvisor. Pay attention to the Airbnb and traditional rental data. Analyze the historical rental performance. Once you find a suitable property, click on it for more details. Gather information about the property's price, mortgage, and operating expenses. Now, calculate the cash flow to ensure it meets your investment criteria. Consider the expected appreciation in property value over time. Next, estimate your renovation costs to improve the property's value. After estimating costs, calculate your overall cash return. Prepare a financing plan, including the down payment and mortgage options. Once everything is in place, make an offer on the property. Regarding the renovation phase, create a detailed scope of work. Hire reliable contractors to complete the renovation timely. As renovations progress, monitor the budget to avoid overspending. After the property is ready, set it up for rental. If opting for short-term rentals, create an appealing listing on Airbnb. Consider professional photography to showcase the property. Once the property is live, begin marketing it to attract renters. Track rental income and expenses using Mashvisor's analytics tools. Evaluate your investment's performance regularly. Adjust your strategy based on market conditions and metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.